Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people, today na about one girl. There is one video where one of my fans sent for me. One girl will be say she did grant the roll for ground, the scratch she bumble. So that they ask her what did they happen to her. She not fit talk. She don't agree talk. Nobody know what happened to her. Nobody know what make her they do what she do so. So the thing they surprise me or they shocktalize me. I can't they surprise. What did happen to this girl? Beautiful girl like that. Does it mean she don't go see follow all those yahoo boys or that? I don't know. Because before somebody come dey ground like that, they scratch your body. Nobody know what happen to her. Nobody know what make and they do am. The thing they shocktalize me, the thing they surprise me. Then they ask her, she not gree talk. I will put the video more now. Then they ask her, she not fit talk. She dey scratch the bumble. I be now those guys where they go, they follow the sugar daddy. I be they don't go use her to do something. Now waiting me the reason. Because I dey surprised. See, waiting go make that girl dey ground. They scratch the body. No, she not fit talk. She not fit talk wetin dey happen to her. She not gree talk. Nothing. Nobody know. Whether she don't go follow all those one chance boy now, nobody know. Whether they don't go follow a man now, they don't go use the body to do something, nobody know. So people the day ground there, if family they say who know her, may they come look for their sister who the day ground there they scratch the body. Nobody know what happen to her. I can't be surprised. Maybe now those girls say they know the year word. They know the one stay one place. Maybe not them. Maybe not them. Because I don't see what it go make beautiful girl like that just the ground they roll for ground. Nobody know. Who know whether now those yahoo boys that should they follow? Who know? Nobody know. Nobody know. See, they surprise me, my people. So, if family, if una know say na una sister, mona go carry am, she dey ground there, they roll for ground there, they cry. Nobody know what happen to her, my people. So now the topic where they ground, na be that one, na be for that girl. I can't come across another video when it be say one boy where they scatter in mama things, one stubborn boy. The boy they scatter things, they scatter, they say it today say you know go gree you. I don't know what mama do. I don't know what family do. It's just they scatter everywhere. All those children will be say they were born for Europe when they stubborn. Say because he has mama something, mama no answer him. He begin to scatter. He begin to scatter everything. They scatter everywhere. From I see what this small boy do. When I go shock their lives. So I can't they wonder, the thing can't they surprise me. What could make this boy they do this kind of thing? What make this boy do this kind of thing? Even they even want to try me, they advise and say, Lala, he finish in mama kitchen, or in mama food stuff, he throw away everything for ground. He throw away everything for ground. He scatter everywhere. He make sure say everywhere scatter. Hey? Okay, what's it gonna come over that boy when this boy come to do this kind of thing to a family? Come to do this kind of thing to a mama? What's it come over this boy? Nobody know. Nobody know what make this boy to do this thing. So now all those children when they born for Europe, we say that they stubborn. Some of them, they will stubborn. You want to advise them a lie. You want to talk to them a lie. Eh? What if your mama will come do you rich like that? Where you say you come begin to scatter everywhere. Your mama the same way they live am because you don't want to go meet them. Even this scatter everyone destroy the television, destroy everywhere. Like seriously. You want to show people say they born you for Europe as in you can do anything where you like, nothing they happen. Go and do it in Africa now. May you know the way that they beat Peking now. May you know the way they'll take place for where you belong. Oh, now when they born for Europe, people say never suffer once. Now somebody they cash you now. That's somebody they cash you now really. What it go make you now begin to do this kind of thing to your mama? Eh, body casher. Body casher. Eh? Begin to scatter, they destroy, they do anything when they like. Like seriously? On our way, all those children where they go for Europe. Some of them. On our way. What will make you now begin to disrespect your mama? Your own mama will born you. They disrespect her. They do anything where you like seriously. My people. See those our children when they born for you now, God go save us for their hand. God, see her now. If mama they vote out on her, never want to listen to your mama. They do anything when they like. My people. I beg this topic. I'm gonna put a video more and see. I'm gonna use an eye see what this boy can do. Then I'm gonna understand what they talk about. Thank you, everybody. Take care until I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. Bye, everybody. Bye, and continue the video.
Nigerians, look at this lady. Only God knows what happened to her. Only God knows what happened to her. She cannot talk, and she has been demonstrating like this since we saw her. Anybody that knows her, she refused to give out her name. We cannot identify what tribe is she. She refused to talk. It's not as if she cannot talk. If you know her, wherever you are watching me from, please pass out this message to every Nigerian. Look at her. Look at her. She's not normal. Only God knows what happened to her. If you know her, this thing happened this morning. This morning. I've been trying to know what happened to her. She refused to talk. She refused to give an own identity. If you know her, whether you live in Benin City, because this one is happening in Benin City, Obe Quarter, Saple Road. Obe Quarter, Saple Road. Obe Quarter, Saple Road, Benin City. Anyone that know any relative of this lady should please come to her rescue. Look at her. This is the demonstration. She has been demonstrating this morning. Look at. Look at. Look at. Look at. Look at. She has no peace. I try to know what is happening to her. Please, my people, share. As you are watching it now, it's live and direct. Live and direct. If you know her relatives, because to my knowledge, it's like this person has been used by ritual people. She has been used by ritual people. She has been used for rituals. She can't speak. And I believe she's a mother of children due to what we are seeing. If you know her, whether you live in Delta State or the neighboring state close to Edo State, please come to her rescue. She can't give out her name. If you know her very well, look at her face. Look at her face. If you know her very well, please. We need the help. Look at her. Look at her. If you know her, please pass this message across to her people. She refused to give out her name. She refused to give out her name. Look at her face. Look at her face.
She don't wear pants.
Look at her face.
They don't open everything. They don't jaga.
Look at her face.
All the things.
Only God knows what happened to her.
You're the open now. To tell you the shamu the seasons.
Look at. Please, my people, pass out this message to all Nigeria for them to go get in touch to her. Look at.
Children. But now what's happening?
What happened? I just did because since they ignore me, they go, they come back. You understand? So this Sunday, he just come. When passport, by the way, you just come. I dey eat in the afternoon. As usual, I call and say, okay, come up to do mass. You don't come. I leave am. I finish our prayer. The mass one they do. So he can't come. He need my P21. He need my my passport. He just needs some few things. I know it will talk. I know it will answer. You understand?
Baby, one want to talk to you.
You understand?
Can you stop right now?
Baby, come. Baby, come.
Not go there.
Baby,
Not go there.
Baby, come. Leave
No, I come. What about something?
Come by that say, leave on.
Not go there. May not go
Leave
enjoy
on.
yourself.
Leave
Not
on.
go there because broken things they are not good there.
Leave on.
You understand? So when he can't come my, we say when I give him, I don't know I don't go give him. He can't go carry my stuff for my room. They begin to look. What did you want there for? P21. What do you want use P21 for? He said he want to apply for his school thing for what? For UCD. Say UCD. What do you want use? They don't need your duty for your. I don't even answer him. He can't come for room. Come tell me say make I give him the passport. You understand? So when I come tell and say, you know what? Call your dad. Your passport is already expired. Your dad, call your dad. Because your Papa said, make me and I no go fiscal. I need to make I tell and make you call him. I come and say, call your dad. You can't say if I don't give him, must. I can't go to the room because I know what that door where they take my things. Go upstairs, go see how he scatter my things. You can't carry the bag where they put documents. They look for it. I say, why will you take my stuff without asking me? He said, why are they ignorant since? Are they ignorant since? Are they ignorant since? So now you go talk my stuff from there. Say I must give him. Now your own.
Did I say that?
Now you own. I just ignore it. I can't say look I leave until you go come. You understand?
What did you guys say?
Oh, they said they're coming.
Children are stopped now. Children are stopped.
Make him finish what he did. Do leave him. We don't do the worst. So leave him make continue. The guy can't come. The only guy he can't come. So me and I come. The guy sees my car key. Sees my phone. For waiting. I can't say give me my phone. Now they will come. They say if I know, I can't. Me and I can't drive the thing. I can't collect my car key. Collect my phone for him. Now there I can't begin to spoil the things. They scatter the things. Say I must give her. If I don't give her, now there I can't scatter one. Not be your own.
Is that why you did it?
You understand? So when daddy come finish,
all these things that you ask, let hold on.
I told you.
That's why I came here.
Great stuff.
That's why I came here. That's why I came here for you to come and talk to
Great
me.
stuff. So now
All these things that you are breaking down.
Okay,
will you come and talk to me? Come and talk to me. Come and talk to me.
Sign will be straight for you.
He said no one talk.
G, this brush here. G.
Okay, come and talk to me. Yeah,
There's videos of that.
all right. Okay, yeah.
So when the guys
You come. Come and talk to me. Come and talk to me. You come and talk to me. No. Children, don't do that. See. Come. Children, come. I promise you, come. I promise you something. I promise you something. Come on.
Leave her now. Make you not go hurt yourself. I beg, call your husband, make you leave her. You don't do the worst. You don't do the worst. Which one you want to do? What do you want to do? You want to smash my phone? You want to smash the TV?
You know I love you. Everybody don't love you. Children.
Can you talk now?
You know I love you. I know that. I've been saying this for so long. You know I love you. You know that, right? No.
No, what have you been saying for so long?
Don't touch the TV, man.
Sean, bring my car key. Where's my car key?
Yeah, I know. Oh, Jesus.
What did you do, my love?
The mirror.
No, don't.
Chira,
Don't, because that one I will not let you.
Don't,
Chira.
Chira,
I'm not letting you.
that's
Go and get my car key now.
I don't know where that is. Where is that?
It's upstairs somewhere.
Check the camera and we don't get mine. The camera we don't get my feelings for young hours.
Eh?
The camera we don't get. We can't enjoy young hours one day. We feel enjoy young hours one day. The camera we don't get. Come up with the house.
I don't want to Gadi tell and say make you look for where you go. Say Gadi know the thing go come out.
Can they come today?
You don't come now, they don't go. He can't come down because I tell him when he can't come, he can't begin to take the food. I come and say you will ask. He said no, he can't begin pour juice for inside my salad. Why do?
Yeah,
For waiting.
I have a video of it.
For waiting. I don't. And many of the times I just ask. He say no, but he first carry the food and the meat where you pour for ground. He just begin to who will the toilet all those rubbish?
Madam, close that door.